This quality-built Norris home was the former model of Northlake Rim. Home has a very open floor plan with great natural lighting. The entryway, kitchen and breakfast nook feature real hardwood floors. Home has great millwork, picture boxing, breadboard and much more. Main level boast a large home office or den. The formal living room and dining room are open with room for everyone. The kitchen overlooks the eating area and family room which boast a gas fireplace. The upper level features 3 good-sized guest bedrooms plus a bonus room with storage closet could be 5th bedroom. The master suite features double closets, 5-piece master bath with oversized soaking tub. The fully fenced backyard has an entertainment-sized patio. 3-car tandem garage is plumbed for central vac. Gas forced air heat and hot water plus central AC. Excellent access to highway.